If you've been feeling tightness in your neck, stiffness in your shoulders, or a constant pull in your upper back, chances are your posture is suffering. In today's world, it's more common than ever. Think about it. How many hours a day do you spend looking down at your phone or slouched over a computer? Probably more than you'd like to admit. And the worst part is, we often don't even notice it happening until it's already done damage. The great thing is, bad posture is totally reversible, and you don't have to live with it. In today's video, I'll show you how to correct your posture using calisthenics that you can do anywhere. I'll talk about why your posture is getting worse, how to identify the problem, and most importantly, what you can do about it. Now, before getting into how to fix it, let's understand what causes rounded shoulders and tech neck. When you sit or stand with poor posture for a long time, your body starts to adapt to that position. Your chest muscles get tight, your upper back muscles get weak, and your shoulders slowly begin to roll forward. Your head starts to push forward too, putting more pressure on your neck. This is what's known as rounded shoulders and tech neck. And while it might not seem like a big deal at first, it adds up over time. And it's not just about posture. Here's how it can hurt your body: causes neck and upper back pain, reduces lung capacity and breathing efficiency, increases the risk of tension headaches, leads to stiffness in the shoulders, affects your confidence and mood, can even mess with your digestion. The good news is that your body is incredibly adaptable in the other direction too. Just like it learned bad posture, it can unlearn it with some consistency, awareness, and the right exercises. Calisthenics is one of the best tools you can use to restore proper posture. That's because it focuses on natural body weight movements that not only build strength but also help improve mobility, flexibility, and control. And the best part is, you don't need a gym. You can start right at home, even in your bedroom or living room. But before starting any training, it's helpful to check if your posture is actually off. One simple way is to stand with your back flat against a wall. Try to touch your heels, butt, upper back, and the back of your head to the wall. If you find it hard to get your shoulders or head to touch the wall without forcing it, you're likely dealing with postural imbalances. Another easy trick is to look at a side photo of yourself. If your ears are way ahead of your shoulders or your shoulders seem rounded, that's tech neck and rounded shoulders right there. So how do we fix this using calisthenics? It's not about doing hard exercises or heavy lifting. It's about working with your body gently but consistently. The first step is opening up the muscles that have gotten tight over time. When your chest and neck muscles are too tight, they pull your shoulders forward and your head down. You need to stretch them out so your body can return to a natural, upright position. Simple movements like standing beside a wall and turning your body away while keeping your palm on the wall can help loosen the chest. Hold for 30 seconds. Next, tilt your head gently to the side and slightly turn it away, which stretches out the tight neck muscles that have been shortening from looking down all day. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat on both sides. Adding some spinal mobility, like the cat-cow stretch, where you move your spine up and down like a wave while on all fours, can also help your back loosen up and move better. Do cat-cow stretch 10 to 12 times for better spine mobility. Once the tight areas begin to open up, it's time to strengthen the muscles that have been ignored. The upper back, shoulders, neck, and core all need to start working again to support your posture throughout the day. This is where calisthenics does what it does best. You can start with basic wall exercises like wall angels, where you move your arms up and down against a wall while keeping them flat. It might sound easy, but when done right, you'll feel muscles you probably haven't felt working in a long time. Do 10 to 15 reps. Other exercises like scapular push-ups can activate the small muscles around your shoulder blades. These help pull your shoulders back where they belong. You simply keep your arms straight in a push-up position and move your shoulder blades together and apart without bending your elbows. It builds strength and awareness in your back. Do 10 to 15 reps. Another great movement is doing Y, T, and W shapes with your arms while lying on your stomach. These motions target the muscles between your shoulder blades, which are often too weak to keep your posture in check. Do 10 reps of each and squeeze your shoulder blades with each rep. And if you've ever felt your neck constantly jutting forward, chin tucks are a game changer. All you do is pull your chin straight back like you're trying to make a double chin. This resets the neck to where it should be, stacked over your spine. Hold for 5 seconds and do 10 to 15 reps. You can also try reverse planks. They open up your chest and work the back of your body at the same time. You sit down, put your hands behind you, and lift your hips up while keeping your arms straight. It stretches the front and strengthens the back. Start with 20 seconds seconds and build to 1 minute. The more you do these movements, the more your posture starts to correct itself. What really matters most is staying consistent. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be aware and keep working at it little by little. Doing these exercises 2 to 3 times a week is a great start. As you build strength and feel more comfortable, you can slowly increase the frequency. But let's be real, just doing exercises for 15 minutes a day won't be enough if you go back to slouching the rest of the time. Fixing your posture means becoming more aware of how you sit, stand, and move throughout the day. So as you work on your calisthenics routine, also start adjusting your habits. Sit up straight when working at your desk. Take breaks every 30 to 60 minutes to stand up and stretch. Try to keep your phone at eye level when you're scrolling instead of hunching down. Even small changes like placing a pillow behind your lower back while sitting can make a big difference. Your sleeping position also matters. A pillow that's too high can push your head forward all night, making your tech neck worse. Try sleeping on your back with a pillow that supports your neck or on your side with proper head and shoulder alignment. Now you might be wondering, how long does it take to actually see results? Most people start feeling better in just 2 to 3 weeks. You might notice your shoulders sitting a little higher, your neck feeling less tight, or your back not aching as much after a long day. After about a month, you'll probably see a real change in how you look, standing taller, walking straighter, and just feeling stronger. And if you keep going for 2 to 3 months, you'll build a new natural posture. Your muscles will support you without you even thinking about it. Don't get discouraged if it feels hard at first. Your body is relearning something it forgot, and just like learning anything new, it takes time, but the results are worth it. Better posture makes you feel lighter, move more easily, and even boosts your confidence. You'll breathe better, look better, and feel more in control of your body. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and powerful bodyweight training content. And if you're already on a journey to fix your posture, share your experience in the comments. What's worked for you? What's been hard? I'd love to hear your story. If you prefer doing these exercises at home, you must convert any of your rooms into a calisthenics studio. Watch this video next, where I have shared how you can convert your room into a calisthenics studio.